Good morning, everyone. My name is Saurabh. I am from Airport Patil, College of Engineering and Technology. I am from Civil Branch, 5th Semester. This is the subject of DLA. This is the numerical of the calculator shape factor of triangle section. This is the diagram. First of all, this is the height of 3 centimeter and breadth to the 5 centimeter. This is the formula. SM is equal to 50 divided by 90. This is the meaning of the SS is the shape factor. Then ZT is equal to A divided by 2 bracket y1 by plus y2 by. Then is equal to 1 divided by 2 B10 divided by 2. Then bracket 0.235 times is the y1 bar. Then plus 0.136 h is the y2 bar. Then 1 divided by 2 into bright is the 5 centimeter. Then into h is height is the 3 centimeter. Divided by 2. Then y1 bar 2.235 into h is equal to 3 centimeter plus 0.136 into h is equal to 3 centimeter. That is the height. Then is equal to 7.5 divided by 2. Here the calculator is numerical. Then y1 by 0.235 into height is the 3 centimeter. Then plus 0.136 into 3. 3 is the height. Then we have the calculator or equation value ZT is equal to 4.14. Now JD is equal to I divided by Y. JD is equal to 0.09 into B into S square. These are put the value. ZD is equal to 0.09 into bright is 5 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter square. These are put the value. ZD is equal to 4.05. We have the SL and del P. We have the calculated two value of the SL. SL is equal to ZD is equal to 4.14. Then ZD is equal to 4.05. We have the calculator of the all value. This is the ZP and ZD. We have the calculator two value. This is the final answer is the SL is equal to 15022. We have the result of the shape factor. This is the all equation. This is the triangle section. We have the calculator all numerical. Thank you.